Alright, so I'm making this video because the car doesn't start. And I'm lost as fuck right now. The car originally started, ran, drove, no problem before I started this job. So I'll explain what I did. I pulled the motor out and I did the head gasket and ARP studs. That's it. The light is dying, that's why it's all flashy. But anyway, so after I got the motor back in about a week ago, I had no crank. So I found out it was a ground issue. So I took an old jumper cable and just grounded it to the strap to the block, and now it cranks. I also replaced the crank sensor. It wasn't OEM, but I replaced the one that's down there on the block. So anyway, so now I got a crank, but the fuel pump is not priming when I turn the key. Like, you know, when you turn the key, you hear the pump kick on right away. Anyway, so I bypassed the relays. These relays all work. I tested them out, these three. I believe one is for the DME and one is for the fuel pump, and another one is some air pump, secondary air pump. But they all work, they all pull in when they're energized. But my main thing is, I'm thinking that the DME is not communicating with those relays or something and not giving them power to pull in order for the rest of the stuff to work, like the fuel pump. Because like I said, I bypassed that relay. I got fuel at the rail and I tried cranking it with the pump constantly priming and still didn't fire off. So even the injectors and shit doesn't get a signal. So the rest of the stuff is all out, and right now this is what I'm stuck with. The only thing I changed also is the alternator and the starter. So